This was a triumph. I'm making a note here, huge success. It's hard to overstate my satisfaction. Aperture science. We do what we must because we can. For the good of all of us, except the ones who are dead. But there's no sense crying over every mistake, and you'll keep on trying till you run out of cake. And the science gets done, and we make a neat gun for the people who are still alive. I'm not even angry, I'm being so sincere right now. Even though you broke my heart and killed me and tore me to pieces and threw every piece into a fire, as they burned her because I was so happy for you. Now these points of data make a beautiful line, and we're out of beta, we're releasing on time. So I'm glad I got burned. Think of all the things we learned from the people who are still alive. Now go ahead and leave me. I think I prefer to stay inside. Maybe you'll find someone else to help you. Maybe Black Mesa. That was a joke, haha, bad chance. Anyway, this cake is great, it's so delicious and moist. Look at me still talking when there's science to do. When I look out there, it makes me glad I'm not you. I've experiments to run, there's research to be done on the people who are still alive. And believe me, I am still alive. I feel fantastic and I'm still alive. I'm doing science and I'm still alive. And while you're dying, I'll be still alive. And when you're dead, I will be still alive. Still alive, still alive. Das war nach dem ersten Teil von Portal, Still Alive, oder so viel wie Ich bin noch am Leben. Nach dem zweiten Teil kommt ein anderer Song, der nennt sich Want You Gone, was so viel heißt, ich will, dass du verschwindest. It's always such a pleasure. Remember when you tried to kill me twice? Oh, how we laughed and laughed, except I wasn't laughing. Under the circumstances, I've been shockingly nice. You want your freedom, take it. That's what I'm counting on. I used to want you dead, but now you, maybe not quite as heavy. Now little Caroline is in here too. One day they woke me up so I could live forever. It's such a shame the same will never happen to you. You've got your short as I've left. That's what what I'm counting on. I'll let you get right to it. Now I only want you gone. Goodbye, my only friend. Oh, did you think I meant you? That would be funny if it weren't so sad. Now you have been replaced, I don't need you anymore. When I delete you, maybe I start feeling so sad. Go make some new disaster. That's what I'm counting on. You're someone else's problem. Now I only want you gone. 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 Dankeschön. Und Bühne frei für den nächsten Act.